You've been searching for the perfect strawberry blonde wig, and I've got it right on my head for y'all. This wig is from Megalook hair. This is their P10 613 laced frontal wig. I am rocking this baby in 26 inches long. She already came curled, which is definitely a thumbs up for me. I want to thank Megalook hair for sponsoring today's video. Honestly, I feel like 613 lace is some of the hardest lace to blend. This wig looks really freaking good. Try that colored wig, sis. Don't be scared. It's summertime. This is the perfect time for you to try a colored wig, okay? If you're interested in checking out this wig from Megalook hair, I will have a link down below in the description box. And if you would like to see how I melted and laid this wig today, y'all know what to do. Definitely stay tuned.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump off my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, hey.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait out on I leg for it. Countdown for me.
12, 11, 10, 9.
Ain't that I'ma make you
Wait for it.
on my time. Yeah, I'ma make you
Pay for it.
on my time.
the hardest part about installing a 613 colored wig is making sure that you melt that lace. As I mentioned in the beginning, it is hard to melt the lace on 613 hair. I'm not sure what it is, but this one, it definitely melted. I had to go in and melt it twice, but we got her done. She's good to go. I'm so happy I did not really have to curl this hair. Once I laid the lace and did my makeup, the wig was pretty much done. I just did a few steps. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did and you would like to see more 613 style wigs, y'all know what to do. Definitely give this video a big thumbs up. If you're interested in checking out this wig, link down below. Sis, I know you didn't watch my last video. Go ahead, make your way to it right here. Let's go, baby.